I don't know what that dream is that you have. I don't care how disappointing it might have been as you've been working toward that dream. That dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible.
Leaving Darjeeling behind, we drive to Yoksum and spend a night under the stars. The next day, we trek 16 km to Soka, surrounded by lush forests. After a night's rest, we push on to Zongri, a 9-km trek, and take in the breathtaking views. Finally, we trek 13 km to the base camp, where majestic mountains await. "10 days at the base camp, immersed in the rugged beauty of the glaciers, we hone our skill in high-altitude mountaineering, from peak-toe climbing to humor techniques on fixed ropes. Every day bringing new challenges and opportunities to master crevasse rescue, rappelling and suspension techniques. We traverse the terrain with precision, learning to navigate the unforgiving landscape. Tyrolean traverses tests our balance and focus, while improvised stretchers teaches us the value of resourcefulness in the most demanding situation.
BMC 369 Grip! Grip! Allied Mountain Institute Kids!
Each moment at base camp is a step closer to becoming skilled mountaineers, equipped to tackle the world's most majestic peaks.